欢迎来到浏阳市文检烟花，好烟花，好品质，认准文检，用心办企业，踏实做事，诚心做人。
Welcome to Jimry Fireworks. Jimry Fireworks is the most reliable supply in China. Our culture of Jimry is the best service, high quality, fast delivery.
Bienvenida a Liuyang Jimry Fireworks, proveedor pirotecnia China.
For over 20 years, we have specialized in the export of fireworks, including display shells, display cakes, consumer cakes, fountains, sparklers, Roman candles, indoor fountains, ground spinner, and helicopters. Our products are primarily exported to Europe, the United States, North America, and South America. We have obtained the EUC mark and the USCX number for over 1,000 products. We customize fireworks for various countries' markets, managing the entire process from order to delivery, including customization, development, design, and logistics assistance.
Liuyang Jimry Fireworks, full service.
Jimry Fireworks by Liuyang River, famous the hometown fireworks. Let's head to the factory along the river bank. The machine turns paper into tubes. The tubes are bundled and placed under the sun to dry. Special dried mud is placed into the outer tube. The outer tubes are arranged into shapes and connected with fuses. The inner tubes filled with effects material pressed into the pre-assembled outer tubes. Apply packaging. Finished products enter the warehouse, where your quality control personnel around the sample and track the goods. Products are loaded onto vehicles for transportation. By leveraging our in-house production line to control costs and maintain quality, we have earned widespread recognition and high praise from our customers. Let's bring Liuyang fireworks to the world together, unraveling the dazzling display of fireworks, creating a visual spectacle. Let's witness beauty, romance, and happiness together.